To automatically create a new note when you remove S Pen from your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to set the when S Pen is removed option to create note. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap S Pen. Next, tap when S Pen is removed and then select create note. To see the result, remove your S Pen from your phone. You can see that your phone will automatically create a new note on the notepads. Okay, thank you for watching. Please hit to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.